Hello, welcome to yet another Jungopharm tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add staff and staff roles on the Jungopharm account. Basically, we'll show you how to add employees to the Jungopharm account depending on their roles. So let's get started. You'll need to be logged into your Jungopharm account, so go ahead and do that. To access the staff role feature, scroll down on the left and under My Business, you'll see the Add New Staff button. Click on it and it will open up to a page where you can add the staff details. Start by typing their first name and the last name and add a mobile number. You'll also need to add an email address and password. This is what they will use to log into the Jungopharm account. Depending on their role, go ahead and select the options that apply from the choices below. Whether you want them to be the admin or in charge of the POS, procurement, stock, or bidding. If you only have one staff who's in charge of everything, just select the All option here and then click the Submit button. This way they will be automatically added to the Jungopharm account. If you have other employees, go ahead and add them through this simple process, and don't forget to hit the Submit button every time you add a new employee. If you want to view your entire list of staff, click the Staff button here, right above the Add New Staff button. Here you can see their name, email address, and phone number. In case there's a change in roles, you can change that by clicking the Manage button here and update the details. Once you've updated the changes, click this Update button and your information will be saved. You can also add new staff while you're here by clicking the Add New Staff button right above the staff member name. You can update this information anytime as needed depending on the business changes. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.